Hey you guys, today I will be deep conditioning my hair using the Aunt Jackies Coco Repair Coconut Crème Deep Conditioner. So right now my hair is already freshly washed, so it's already wet and ready. I am right now going to just section my hair off into 2 sections because for me, I work better in sections versus trying to apply the deep conditioner to my entire head all at once. So the Coco Repair Deep Conditioner actually is infused with carrier oils that help bring nutrients to your hair shaft while giving your hair a better look and feel for chronically dry and fragile hair. So I'm going to start working in the deep conditioner into my hair. I like to use a little bit, not too much. A little bit goes a long way, so you do not have to be heavy-handed when applying the deep conditioner to your hair. It goes on real nicely and it's easy to detangle, as you can see, when working it through your hair. So once I'm done working the product in my hair, I like to follow up with my wide tooth comb just to comb through my hair and evenly distribute the product throughout my hair. The deep conditioner did leave my hair well moisturized and made it very easy for me to comb through my hair, which I really like. I love a deep conditioner that gives me enough slippage for me to detangle. And then I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair off into 2 smaller sections and then just plait my hair in each section. And then I'm going to repeat these same 3 steps on the other half of my hair. So now that I have applied the deep conditioner to my entire hair, I'm going to go ahead and grab my hot head so that I can apply heat to my deep conditioning. I'm going to leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes and I'll be right back. So I have rinsed out the deep conditioner out of my hair. I'm going to use the Aunt Jackies Butter Creme Intense Moisture Sealant and just work that throughout my hair to provide moisture. And then I'm going to follow up with the Aunt Jackies Curl Boss Jelly and work that also throughout my entire hair. Now that my hair is moisturized, I am styling my hair in a puff today, so I'm just going to take my scrunchie, and I like to do it twice over my hair. So I double it up and then pull it up to the height of where I want my puff to be at. And then I follow up by brushing up any excess hair. And then I just fluff to my liking. And here is the end result. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching.